Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to fry egg, okay? If I'm lucky today, I'm going to get one big circle of omelette. If I'm not lucky, it's going to be fried egg. Okay, because Appa is very bad at flipping the eggs, yeah? So I may not be able to keep the shape anyway. This is Appa. Alright, now, this dish is very simple but super yummy. I have 2 free-range eggs here. You can use 2 to 3. And then what are the ingredients inside? I'm going to use few slices of big chili. I have some prawns here, cut into cubes, right? About a handful of them. And then some spring onion. And this is a shallot. Of course, I should have used yellow onion, but I ran out of yellow onion, big yellow onion at home, so I use shallot to replace. Still okay. And you need a bowl to mix things together. Okay, we're going to marinate the egg. I'm going to start with putting some fish sauce, or you can use light soy sauce. A little bit of my homemade chicken powder, or you can use 2 to 3 tablespoons of chicken stock. This will give it some umami flavor to the egg. A little bit of salt, a little bit of sugar, beat it up. Make sure the salt and also sugar is nicely dissolved. Then all these ingredients we will put it in as well. Alright. We can actually put a little bit of oil inside here. It will actually help the frying process a little bit. Optional, okay? Let's prepare the wok. Okay, let's prepare a wok here. I'm using a smaller one so that hopefully later will be easier to flip, if I can flip. Get in about at least 3 tablespoons of oil and heat it up. Ooh, got some water inside, so it's splatter. Okay, then we can put in the egg mixture. Put it on at least medium to high heat, yeah? I will try to flip. If I couldn't flip, it will be fried egg. Okay. If you can flip, by all means, go ahead. I'm going to try to use a bigger plate to help me to flip. But let it get into some shape first. I'm using about medium heat right now. Allow the egg to slowly absorb the excess oil, and you need the oil to really make the egg very more fluffy and also more fragrant. Maybe let me try to zoom out for you. It is still rather soft. but I can feel, see, if you're using a non-stick, it's actually easier. Let me try to flip right now. So if it's spoiled, then it will become fried egg, okay? I'll just very quickly. Ooh. And put it back. Okay, it's not 100% successful, but acceptable. Make it more, a little bit more even. Okay, now it's better. That's what I said. That's what Appa said. I always fail at flipping the egg. Give it another minute or two, then it is done. Okay, I actually flip it one more round. And it's basically done. So about 3 minutes, I would say, plus minus. Off the fire. Let me grab the plate. Okay, fluffy fried egg. So here's Appa very simple fried egg tonight. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.